We have the whole 3 team assemble. Charlotte is now being shown Ice Age 2 after we just watched Ice Age 1 whilst eating our tea. I'm watching Ice Age 2 on the big telly. Bosh. Sleepover bed. See you in the morning. Sleeping went well. Everything good. The little one is doing some dot to dots. Helen's on breakfast, making the Weetabix, and we're now going to see if our upstairs toilet can look almost as good as our downstairs toilet. So let's go and try and fix it. That looks miles better. If you go back a few videos, the difference is literally insane. It sounds mental, but one of the best things I love to do is walk to the shops straight out the house first thing in the morning. If we need anything, it's a walk, not a drive, and that's nice. Our neighbours with the Avengers here, the heroes, off to save some more lives. Someone's got to do it for me on my day off. I'm going to go to the shop right now because we need Weetabix. We need cereal and we need some bread because we're going to make some packed lunches because Charlotte doesn't know it yet. But we watched yesterday's vlog with her this morning and she was laughing at all the stuff that we did. She went to 2 different parks. She had loads of cool fun stuff. Someone's sleeping on the roof of their car. Tent box in action. But someone's cat's having a panic attack. But it's going to rain apparently later on today. I mean, summer has been relatively alright for weather this year in the UK. But we're going to take Charlotte to the railway, I can't say that. Railway Museum. Train Museum. So that should be fun. Supplies in hand. It is time to head back home. On a beautiful walk. With the birds and the trees. You would not believe it's going to downpour today, but the weather forecast says it's likely. That might be one of the coolest pictures of the sun I've ever seen. That is really cool. I hate that the summer's over. Even though me and Helen are both technically winter babies. Because that's when we were born. Oh, black cat. Because it's nearly spooky season. Even though we're both winter babies, me being December, her being February, we don't like the winter. We prefer the summer. We definitely prefer the summer more than the winter. But seasons change. And you have to take the goods with the bads, highs with the lows. So, I'm going to enjoy the sun every single day until the vlogs end for the start of September. We have arrived at our destination. 8 minutes from our house. Over there is a very cool activity. Now, it's an activity that attracts a very autistic crowd. As you can see, a lot of people have got autism because there's a lot of people here today for this very specific activity. And everyone in these monster cars, like this white one coming in now at the far side, they could not find car parking spaces. And the Yaris is sleek enough, small enough, and beautiful enough to get us damn near anywhere. So thank you, Yenna, for the Yaris. You beauty. Mwah. Wow, wow, wee, wah. Look at the big train. That's a big train. Do you want to stand next to it? So we can get a reference of how big it is.
Should we get the parking?
That is a Charlotte. That big. And that is a train. That's a big train, isn't it? It's huge. Look at the size of its wheels.
Yeah.
Look at the wheels. Stand next to the wheel. Look at you. Oh my gosh. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4 Charlottes long. And nearly 2 Charlottes tall. That's crazy. Yeah. You can have a look at whatever you want. We're in the Railway Museum. That's what this one is, a Q1 from 1942.
That's how old this train is.
It is, isn't it? Wow.
Oh, what are the words for?
That just tells you a bit about it. So it says that it is a Q1, number C1, and it was designed by a man called Oliver Bleed. And it was part of the Southern Railway in 1942.
That was the driver.
That was the designer. That's who made it. It was from Brighton. Me and Helen have been to Brighton. The Pullman Car Topaz. This is 1913. This is even older. This is even older.
All these words say.
So the designer is unknown. Nobody actually knows who designed it. But it was a company first class parlour car Topaz. Cheetham Railway, Birmingham. That was built in Birmingham in 1913. Wow.
Look at this train.
It's massive.
That big, that old.
Wow.
Now that is a lot of trains. This is the conductor's platform. That's really cool. Yeah, Helen did some research and discovered that we have a railway museum literally 10 minutes from the front door. So yeah, there's a lot. That's cool. This is crazy, it's huge. It's like a gigantic hallway just filled with trains of all different generations of trains. All different kinds of stuff. It's like a big convention centre, but just literally filled with trains. Which is pretty awesome. It's kind of cool. I can see them.
Okay.
There they are.
Ready? Oh wait, Charlotte, come here, Bobby.
Used to be able to get from Tokyo to Osaka in 2 hours and 22 minutes. That's insane. Ah, that's never from my nephew. I don't think I'm going to Japan anytime soon, but this is literally going to be going on a bullet train. Whoa. That's mad.
Is it kind of hard to imagine? Look how fast it goes there.
Really long.
This is where people look how fast it is there.
That's really cool.
Well, here is what it's called.
We got a Charlotte-sized train. That's big enough for you, isn't it?
It's a bit small.
A bit small? What, do you want this one instead?
That's it.
This one's
Wow.
called the number 390.
It was converted to burn wood instead of coal. Oh, it was a wood-powered train.
How old is this train?
Hang on, David Mitchell. David Mitchell took that picture. The David Mitchell from Would I Lie to You?
How old is this?
1896.
It's 200.
That's really old.
A lot of years old. Over.
The big one's over here now.
Very, very small blue telephone
Oh,
box.
yeah, it's got to do, isn't it?
Where is it going?
Might be going outside.
That's a really big train.
Go over the bridge.
Look at her, she's climbing. She's hiking.
Yeah. Oh, you get a really good view from up here.
This would be cool.
Wow, look at this view. It's another beautiful view.
Wow.
See all the trains from up there. Lots and lots.
Oh, she's off again. Never a dull second with this one. She loves an adventure. Where's she off to now? It's very intricate, isn't it? Look how intricate it is with all the tubings. It's got all the tubings inside, hasn't it? Look. Underneath all the metal on the train, that's what's inside. That's all the pipes, all the tubes. That's how the train works. So they've like x-rayed the train. All those pipes at the front and all those pipes in the middle, and it all connects to the wheels and the fuel. Look, there's the funnel at the back where the coal comes in and out of. It's like doing an x-ray on a train. So you get to see inside it and what it looks like. It's very cool, isn't it?
Look inside.
No, no.
No, he won't put you in it.
Charlotte, have a look.
Charlotte, have a look.
Oh, so what's your name?
Charlotte.
Charlotte, okay. No, that's where the firemen would shovel all the coal.
Makes the train work.
Yep. Any guess as to how hot this would be? 2,000 degrees.
Wow.
Very hot indeed, very hot indeed. And that's why the fireman, Mr. Gray's shovel here had to be made out of solid iron. Because otherwise, if you tried to shovel it in and try to pull it back out, it would have just melted. Very good. And
Charlotte is currently working hard on how to build her jigsaw puzzle. Can she do it? I'm sure she can. Charlotte is doing the best she can. Oh, beautiful. Hang on. That train. It looks a bit familiar. Oh my gosh, you're building the jigsaw of the train that you've just been on. How exciting is that? Yeah, there is. Harry Potter sign. That's very cool. Oh wow,
We just missed a tray.
Yeah, but that is a view. Look at that view of the Minster.
Oh, look at that.
That is gorgeous.
Train set.
Oh no, it's a van.
Aww. Oh, wait, another one.
That's a normal one.
Even longer.
Oh, they're waving. They're waving. That's cool. You waving at them, Charlotte?
That big long one.
Yeah. Did you wave at them?
No.
No, no. Charlotte.
Super long.
Posing. She's posing like a supermodel. She's funny. She's great. You like the Railway Museum? She's nuts, but she's funny. Here we are at the train museum. Charlotte, you can pop your head up there if you want. Pop your head up through the window and see what it looks like. Platform 9 3/4. Harry Potter train. She's absolutely tidgy next to these massive trains. Well done, you. She's loving the trains. She's getting a photo. For the record, I work with special needs children, and before the summer holidays, my coat was ripped and destroyed by one of my special needs children that I work with. So now, I'm here with Darling in the red, Darling in the blue. I have no coat, because a special needs kid ripped my sleeve off. So this is going to be fun. I'm having a lovely time. Driving on the steam train. Oh, I found the walrus. Oh God. Boat's direct tomorrow morning and I'm buying a coat. I can't believe it. I'm being saturated. There's the duck pond. No, it changed. Yay! Let's go. I can't believe it. Cannot wait for that. You like the spinny chair? Another successful day for baby Charlotte.